I've had a bunch of times if kids are making poor choices.
Now, we will add an animated icon as the overlay and resize it to fit on screen. Then I will just add animation in this icon by clicking animation, combo, and zoom one, so it will look like this. Now, we will put a picture, icon, and arrow behind the man, which is a very popular technique, and all shorts creators are using it. Just select area and cut your main video where you want to show picture or animation behind the person. I will cut this clip accordingly and just copy this clip. Now, I will convert this copy clip as an overlay and set an exact main clip position. Now, go to cutout feature and select remove background option. It will take some seconds. And here, you can see this man cutout is ready. Now, we will add keyframe animation in this cutout. To drop down this cutout, just add a keyframe in starting here. And second keyframe is little further. And just drag this cutout down on second keyframe. You can see main video is showing in background. So we will add an overlay image or anything to change background. I'm just adding a black screen from CapCut stock footage for example. Now cut extra part. And now, we will put this black footage behind the cutout. So just select your cutout overlay and go to layer option. Here you can see many layers count. So just click number 4, because we want to keep our cutout is on top. So black footage will automatically go to number 3. Add graph between keyframe and cutout for smoothness. So it work like this. Now, we will add an image behind according to video speech and set position accordingly. Also, I will change the color and exposure of this image. You can also do this if need. We will add an 3D human icon, and I will remove background by cutout feature. Remove background and this icon image is Ray, but this image position is left side. So I will just go to crop option and select mirror option, and it will change position to right. Now fix this image accordingly. Now, we need to put this picture behind the man. So go to layer option again, and select this image layer on number 5. Because number 6 is our cutout and number 4 will be mountain image. I hope you understand the game of layers. Just adjust layer accordingly. Now, we will reduce opacity of mountain image so our man icon will be visible more better. Now, we will add glow in our man icon. Just go to video effects and add flash vibration effect. Now set position according to man icon. This effect is showing on main screen. So, just go to object button and select this effect on man icon, and this effect will only apply on that icon. Just adjust effect, color 100%, range up to 30%, and atmosphere 100%, and speed 0%. Now our man icon overlay is okay. Now add animation by clicking combo and select zoom one. Now, we add arrow animation from green screen video. Just repeat same process like before. Extract the arrow, then I will copy glow effect and set position according to arrow. Now, I will set that glow on this icon by selecting object. And here is the result. Now, I will add another icon and set the position first. Now, I will add 2 keyframes. In starting and a little further, just drag upside the icon from out of screen on first keyframe, and add a graph between keyframe for smoothness ease out 1. So icon will appear on screen from upside. And here is the final result of this scene. Now cut all extra part of overlays. Now, I will again add paper cut effect after this scene. So just repeat same process, like previous one. Now, we will add an icon set position. And this time we will use different animation. Go to combo and select funhouse mirror effect. So it looks more amazing than zoom one effect. Now we will copy glow effect. Then adjust position according to this icon and select this icon by clicking object and done. Now, we will add an image. Then we adjust the position to full screen. Now cut the main video before 1 second. To show left slide transition, click middle button and go to camera. Then select left effect. Now add in dark motion background video on same position of image as the overlay. So when main video slide left so dark video appears. Now, we will add an white man icon here. Then set a position of icon. And now add 2 keyframes, and I just drag down this icon on first keyframe. So it will automatically comes on second keyframe. Like this. Add graph for smoothness. So here is the result. Now our school image is showing because I cut the dark video background. So now add more 2 keyframe like this here, and just pinch out the icon on second keyframe on position. It will look like this. Now, we want to show that man face with this assets. So select school image and just go to mask feature. Then select horizontal option and adjust or rotate the split line to upside. Now add 2 keyframes here like this. And just drag down the split line at second keyframe. And just pull up the middle arrow to adjust the feather. And here you go. Also add graph between keyframes for smooth move. Then add icon here, which is normal now. Just delete extra part and cut your main video after this. And go to light effect and select old film effect, so it will work like this. So now, we will use again cutout animation. Just cut your main video. Copy that clip, make it overlay, and set on position, then just select cutout, remove background and just add to keyframes, drag down your cutout on second keyframe. Now, we will add a video and set as a background. I mean behind the man. Go to layer and adjust the layer. Select the layer number 3, because 4th layer is cutout. Also put animation on video fade in, so it will come in a good way. Now in adding some text, and choosing a good font with red tone from effects. Then use animation on text typewriter. Now, we again add paper cut effect, like before. After text. Now, we will add 3 white glowing icons, and set them accordingly at same position. Now, just add keyframes in all of 3 icons, like this, a keyframe in starting and a keyframe in last. Just drag icon right side from out of screen on first keyframe, and drag left side from out of screen on second keyframe. Do the same with other 2 icons. And now just add graph between all keyframe. Gra will be flow too. So here is the result. Now, we will use opacity of main video by keyframes to reduce opacity to show our icons more clearly. Like this, go to opacity and add a 2 keyframe before icons and reduce opacity on second keyframe. Then add 2 more keyframe at the end of icons and increase opacity 100% on second keyframe. So it will work like this. Now, we will use this line bar from a green screen video. Then we just remove green color by chroma key and adjust the position according to screen. Now here is the trick. Keep this line in center of this screen and increase size. And make sure the line bar going from out of screen. Now add 2 keyframes in line bar and just drag line bar to left from out of screen on second keyframe. Now cut the main video on second keyframe position and just click middle button, then go to camera and choose left effect. Now just add a dark video background as an overlay between left slide effect, so it will look like this. Now select green screen clip and adjust layer to keep above dark background. Now copy this green screen clip and again set on same position, so it will look like the line bar comes from previous video. Now, stop this line bar in center, and just cut other part, and freeze the frame on the last position. Now copy previous green screen line bar and adjust position to upper side, and stop on point, then also freeze the last position like this. Here is the final result. Now, you can use any image or text. I'm adding a X sign for example like this. Make it spicy by adding a video effect like I'm adding fault cassette effect. Also make sure you always select layer for effect, otherwise effect will not work. So I am choosing this effect for dark background by clicking object, and I select dark video background. So here is the result. Now, we will add sound effects. Just click audio button and click sound option. I have some sound in file, so I am selecting the sound short swipe for icon.
A bunch of times of
Adjust the sound according to icon and see.
I've had a bunch of times of kids.
Now, we will add a transition sound for icon again, and a sound for arrow. Watch this.
Bunch of times of kids are making poor choices.
It's perfect. Now we will add sound for arrow from CapCut library. We will add this ow and can't click scroll sound. Watch this.
Choices, kids are making poor choices. I've had a bunch of times of kids are making poor choices.
Perfect. Now we use camera shutter sound for film burn. Transition from CapCut library. Watch this.
In school and out. In school and out.
Perfect. So you can use the sound in all elements like this. I don't think I have to show every single sound now.